So the first thing we're going to do is add the form tags in the HTML file. Our form will begin right after this top heading, and it will go down here till the very end after this total line and before the footer. So go ahead and find the H2 element, and notice that this is inside the main section. So go ahead and add an opening form tag. So it's just form. And then down here before the footer, we want to close it. Now it's inside main, so be sure and go above the closing main tag and close the form. Now if we save that and refresh, there's no change made. So adding that form element is not visible on the web page itself, but it'll give us the opportunity to do a variety of things. There are two attributes in the form element that we want to add. The first one is the method attribute. So find that opening form tag and add method. Now there are two options for method. There's either get or post. Get will send the variables and their values through the URL. So it will actually, the variables and their values will show up in the URL. There are some times when you want to do that and sometimes when you don't. We're going to be using the post method, and the post method will send it directly to the server and will not include it in the URL. So set your method to post. The other attribute is the action attribute. The action attribute tells it where to go when the form is submitted. So it has actually the address to another web page, and that web page, that's where the browser will take you right to that new web page once the form is submitted. We're going to send it to a PHP file. So this PHP file will report for us what variables and values will be sent. Now PHP is a server-side language, and we're not going to cover server-side languages in this course, but we'll use this file to report to us which variables are being sent. Again, we can save this and refresh, and we're still not seeing any visible changes.